Good morning, dear friends and viewers. I wish you Merry Christmas and I wish you the coming 2022 as a happy new year and a healthy new year. Today's our topic is crash course on IELTS. Dear friends and viewers and the aspirants who are going to appear on IELTS, it is going to be very important 5 minutes trick. Why? Because for every exam we used to prepare a lot, but before appearing exam we must have a ready reckoner that can really refresh our whole preparation whatever we have made in the previous time. So keeping in the view, we are happy and we are proud to say that for the first time in India we are going to offer a very crispy so-called crash course on IELTS. I hope, dear viewers, you will certainly enjoy and you will certainly get the benefits of this video. So, me, Atul Ahuja, and my associate Sukhjit, we again are at your service with a crash course on LRWS. First of all, I would like to ask Sukhjit ma'am to start with LRW crash course tips, do's and don'ts. We will certainly give you this in a do's and don'ts, so you will never ever forget what to do and what not to do. In the life also runs on this principle, certain things that what to do and what not to do. I hope you will enjoy. Please, I'll ask Sukhjit ma'am to start.
Hello everyone, I am Sukhjit. So today I will discuss some do's and don'ts of LRWS. So firstly I will start with the listening module, and there are some do's candidate must keep in mind. First of all, listen carefully for the instructions for each section. Second one is write an answer for every question as there is no negative marking. Third one is check your answers and spellings correctly. Some don'ts you must keep in mind is do not look here and there to see what others are doing. Stay focused and concentrate on your listening. Second is do not expect the answer to be in the beginning of the listening conversation. So be focused what the speaker is saying. For reading module, there are some do's. First is read the instructions carefully for each question as there are different kind of questions. Second is write the answer directly on the answer sheet. So don't waste your time to write the answers on the reading booklet. Third one is improve skills. There are two skills which are mandatory to improve your reading: skimming and scanning. What does skimming means? It means to read the instructions and information quickly. Second is scanning. Scanning means to look for specific information for which you are going to find. Some don'ts about the reading module is don't get panic when you get the reading booklet. So be calm and peaceful. Second is do not spend too much time on a question as you are not sure and you are not able to find the answer. So in the end, if you get some time, so that time you should utilize to find the answer. Third is do not spend more than 20 minutes on each passage as time management skill is crucial to improve your reading. When it comes to the writing module, in writing module there are some do's you must keep in mind. Firstly, must complete both tasks. As you all know, there are two tasks in writing, task 1 and task 2, and you have to manage your time accordingly for 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. Daily practice your writing task to improve your band score. Third is spare some time to check the errors as you should do proofreading after the writing module to rectify the mistakes, spelling errors, punctuations and plurals. Last but not least is write appropriate word limit. As you know, 250 words you have to write for task 2 and 150 to 180 words for task 1. So keep in mind word limit is should be appropriate. Some don'ts you need to keep in mind for writing module is don't get tensed and pessimistic. It is mandatory to be a positive view when you are going to attempt the writing task. Second is do not leave the task. Write at least what you understand and what you know about the topic, as it will make you eligible to score some band score. Third is much use of phrases and idioms does not bring higher band score. So it is crucial to have connectivity of your ideas. So this is all about the LRW do's and don'ts. For speaking do's and don'ts, Atul sir will give you the tips.
Thank you, Sukhjit ma'am, for giving very valuable tips on listening, reading, and writing modules. And your task was more important and tougher than me. I am very lucky that I got a very easy task of speaking. So I would like to share what are the do's and don'ts on speaking. Dear viewers, friends, and aspirants who are going to appear in IELTS test, speaking is the most important part in IELTS test. I am saying it is the most important because you are going to face the examiner. It is the only test which you will face to face you will appear, and you have to be very careful about your body language, about your eye contact, and you have to take in mind these tips which are the do's and don'ts. Number one, practice regularly for the exam, as practice makes a man perfect. And don'ts, do not give answer in a one or two words, and do not overstress the things. You have to be precise, but you should not be too short, you should not be too long. Number two, listen to the question before framing an answer. You have to be an active listener. In don'ts, do not take too much time to frame answer because time limit is there, so you have to be very conscious. And number three do's, always make an eye contact as it shows your confidence. And in don't, eye contact does not mean staring at the examiner. He should also not, or she should not feel some embarrassment that you are staring rightly in that way. 4 is while speaking maintain fluency. In don'ts, however, it does not mean speed in speaking. So you have to maintain a speed and fluency. And again I repeat, these all will come with over and again practice, which you can make it by standing in front of a mirror, by practicing with your friend, by recording this video over and again, and you can repeat it, then you can get perfection in that. These are all simple tricks or the tips which you should do that, and it is going to improve your speaking. And last but not the least, the speaking should look like a genuine, or it should be a natural. And do not speak out of topic. Your speaking, it should be relevant with the topic. It should not be that 100% answer is required, but it should be the relevant to that. So please take care of all these RWS, and I believe and I am hopeful that whosoever who are watching our video, they will get the benefits of this crash course whenever they will appear in their exam. I wish you all the best for the coming IELTS exams. Me and Sukhjit are thankful to you for you, as you are watching our videos, you are sharing our videos, you are pressing the bell icon and subscribing our video. Thank you very much. Please keep on sharing, keep on listening, and enjoy your day.